Hi and welcome back. This is Ratnadeep welcoming you. During last few weeks, I have revealed several card tricks with playing cards, and those tricks usually require certain sleight of hand and some special cards. I received several messages that show us some illusion, some card tricks where no special card is required, no sleight of hand is required because sleight of hand requires a lot of practice. But the illusion is so amazing that it can hold our spectators spellbound and awestruck. Well, this is how. This is an illusion I have chosen. No setup is required, no sleight of his hand of is required, but again, you will certainly amaze your spectators. So we'll go into it, and as we do every time, first we'll watch it, then we'll go into the tutorial. The magician picks up a card deck and shows it is an ordinary deck of cards. Then he turns and shows us the face, and we get to see it is ordinary. He picks it up and gives it a normal shuffle, and then he divides it into two parts. And this is how both the halves will have 26 cards, as the deck has 52 cards. This is how both the pieces piles are kept here. And then he asks any of the spectators to choose one of the piles. Choose one of the pile. The spectator chooses it. Again, magician gives it just a casual upper hand shuffle, keeps it, and asks the spectator to choose as many cards the spectator wants and keep it aside. Spectator picks up these cards and it keeps it aside. Magician keeps it away. He picks up the other half, gives it again a upper hand shuffle, shows us all cards are ordinary. Then he fancies out and asks the spectator to choose any of the cards. Spectator chooses a card and shows it to the camera and keeps with herself. Then magician keeps giving this deck a upper hand shuffle and asks the spectator to keep whenever he or she wants. Stop. Okay. The spectator keeps the card here. Magician continues shuffling it, and the more. Sorry, one card fell. And then he gives normal shuffle as well. Then he mixes this card with this remaining cards from the other section. Now he picks up the entire pile and he does one thing. He picks one card from top and one card from bottom. One, then two, then two, then two, then two, then two, then more two, then another 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 two, another two, another two, two more, two more, two more, and then last two. Here, this is how he shuffles it, and he keeps it here. Nobody knows how many cards are here. Nobody knows how which card is where. He asks the spectator to count the number of cards the spectator selected before. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Here are 12 cards. Magician picks up this pile and starts counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this is 12th. Is it the card?
Yes.
So this is all about the illusion. It's a no setup illusion. If you have enjoyed it, kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you want to learn it, join me on the tutorial part, and definitely you'll like it. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome back. Thanks for joining me in the tutorial part. to save time, I have already divided the deck into two equal parts of 26 cards. Here are 26, here are 26. In the beginning, you ask the spectator to choose one of these two piles. Say for example, the spectator chooses it. It doesn't make any difference which piles the spectator chooses. Ask him or her to pick up as many cards as he or she wants. Suppose, say for example, the spectator chooses this many. Keep it aside, remaining card will remain here. From the other section, which has 26 cards, they're all ordinary. You can show it to them face up, and then if you want, you can give it a casual upper hand shuffle and keep the card like this, fan them out. One card the spectators will select. Say for example, the spectator selects this one. Let us see this card first. It is Queen of Hearts. Okay. Now what will you do? You will keep giving it upper hand shuffle and ask the spectator to ask you to stop whenever the spectator feels like keeping this card. So you keep shuffling like this. Suppose here the spectator says stop. You pick up this card, keep it here. Now you have to do something very important. Watch carefully. This card, this is the spectator's chosen card. The next card falls a little down. It's around half an inch down. Then the next one goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then you can do it casually. What it does, here comes a break. Can you see? Because these cards were square card in the beginning, first break comes here, and the break is there where the top card is the card chosen by your spectator. Watch it one more time carefully. Here are shuffling. Spectator says stop. Immediately you square it, take the card, keep it, keep these cards carefully, and automatically this break has come. You casually, very casually, pick up this section and keep it on top. Nobody will suspect if you do it in a spontaneous manner. And this is how you control the card. Basically, you bring it to the top. From here, you do one more shuffling, keeping your thumb on the top of it. You bring it down and then continue in the same fashion. This is how you control the card and bring it to the bottom of the deck of this pile of cards. From here, once you bring it down from this point of time or this point of the magic, this is almost or totally self-working. What you have to do, you have to take it, keep it on the top of it. You mix it, then you tell your spectators, I'll do a special shuffle. I'll take one card from top, one from bottom, and I'll keep doing it until this entire pile exhausts. One down, one top, down, top, two, 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 two more, two more, two more, two more, two more, two more, two, 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 and one is left. Okay, you square them and keep it. You can say that this is the way it is shuffled. Now you ask your spectators, nobody knows how many cards are here. Let us count it and find it out. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 cards are there which none of us knew. Now let us check the 13th card of this pile of cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and there is 13. And this is the card. Just follow the steps, it will happen automatically. However, if you want to learn and want to know the logic behind it, the simple mathematical logic is there. If you want to learn it, please write to me on the comment box. I'll explain to you logically how it works. Or else it will simply self-working. If you just follow the steps that is demonstrated here, it will simply work in the perfect way. If you have liked the video, kindly write comments on the comment box. Please subscribe to the channel if you liked it for many more magical experiences like this. And if you liked, most importantly, please share it and let others know about this channel. Thank you very much. Thanks for being with me.